Hello, Internet here with you today with a layout tutorial. There is an awesome Instagram hop today on the 19th of May to celebrate the release of the new Pinkfresh Studio collection Happy Blooms. I must tell you that this collection got one of my favorites from Pinkfresh Studio. I love the design so much, the colors, all the happy blooms, and the great Pinkfresh quality as always. For the base of my layout, I chose this beautiful paper. It is called Embroidered. I already made a layout using the collection and I'm sure you will see it soon. For that layout, I printed my photos in flower shapes. I made a video for that layout too, and I will teach you how to make this flower shape layout. This one you see here, I did not end up using, and this fits my idea for this layout perfectly, so I will use it now. I decided to go with the colors pink, teal and yellow. I'm sure many of you say that these colors are their favorites. I love them too. And I'm looking for sentiments with home life theme and with the encouragement theme. I plan the layering of the elements as I also want to make some embroidery on the page. It would have been easier to do the embroidery on a blank paper, but I need to see first which flowers I should embroider. I don't want to do all of them, just a couple of them. This layout is all about choosing the right embellishments and arranging them in a way that it is pleasing the eye and it makes some interest. I raised my photo and some of the embellishments using foam tape. You know me, it's a need for my eyes. Dimension is important, I just cannot go without. Here comes a part where I just keep pushing the embellishments here and there, and I'm trying different arrangements until I'm happy with what I see. Sometimes it is helpful to create visual triangles. So if you have a yellow embellishment, then you should use another two yellow something on other two places on the layout. Or when you have a circle sticker, then be sure to use another circle, but better to use two of them. These three create a visual triangle that creates harmony on the page. The color and the form is sometimes more important than what it is actually. Whether it is a hat or a strawberry, it doesn't matter as long as they are both pink. Of course, if the layout is about strawberries, then you should choose the fruit one. You see, I have three yellows: the title, the circle to the left, and the puffy phrase in the mint frame. Also, I have pinks: the flag, the title strap, and the circle at the bottom. Off camera, I started to make the embroidery using teal thread. I use a piece of yoga foam to place it under my paper so I can make the holes to the stitching easily with the piercer. The stitching is really easy. I don't cover the pink lines. I want to see the pink lines and I place the stitching between them. Somehow I was not really satisfied with the result. My layout was too busy for my eyes. So I decided to take some white acrylic paint and a flat brush, and I made the pattern more solid around the photo and around my cluster by painting it white. I did not cover it entirely, I just made it a bit faded. This way my cluster and my photo stand out much more. Of course, it would have been easier if I painted it before adhering and embroidering, but it is what it is, and you know, I always say make it work. And I think I did. I like the result much more. I added the word you using the puffy alphas, and I did some fussy cutting, those little butterflies, and I also placed some enamel dots on the right places. And at the end I also splattered gold paint, and it added some extra shine to it. I also used some of the white diamonds, not the diamonds, the jewels, that Pinkfresh embellishment, they are so great. I really like the result. The unique shape photo and the stitching add a lot of interest, and the extra bling with the gold splatters and the white jewels I think is gorgeous. I hope you like it too and you feel inspired to do something similar. At the end of the video you can see some close-up shots. I'm looking forward to seeing your beautiful creation with Happy Blooms collection. I hope you enjoyed my video, then please like and subscribe to see more. All the used materials that are listed in the description below. Create with me next time too. See you soon guys, bye bye.